Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I want to tell you about a little craft place. Stay tuned. So, as most of you know, I just got back from a trip to Texas to take care of my grandkids. But anytime that I'm in Texas or anytime that I'm traveling, I always try to find a crafty spot or a scrapbook store to visit. And I have one that I really want to share with you. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. I really do appreciate it. A while back, I was in Texas, and my daughter Megan and I managed to hit up several stores, craft stores, scrapbook stores, Dollar Trees. We just went out and we looked and we shopped, and we had a great time. One of the stores that I visited back then, I visited again on my recent trip. That store is called Little Craft Place, and it's in Spring, Texas. And y'all, I absolutely love this little store. From the moment you walk in, everything is pink, white, and bright, and they have so much to offer in the store. I'm actually flashing pictures as I talk because I want you to get a feel for the store. But I also wanted to share with you a few items that I picked up. I'm still committed to not buying much, but this store was just awesome, and a lot of the things that I purchased were things that I had wanted to grab a while back and I didn't. So I was able to grab them there. But I want to share this store with you, and I want to share some of the things that I was able to find because the store is online and they do ship. The co-owner, I believe his name was Ian, he owns the store with his wife, and I spent a lot of time talking to him, and he walked me through the store. He was so helpful. He is one of the reasons why I actually purchased as much as I did. I really was not planning to purchase that much, but he just kept showing me things, and I could not help myself. He even took me to what I call a hidden wall and showed me some things that really caused me to buy even more. So if you happen to be in Texas, anywhere near Spring, Texas, Little Craft Place should be on your list of places to visit. But if you're not, why not place an online order and have it shipped to a U.S. address? I don't know if they actually ship out of the country, but they have a website. You can contact them and ask them if they're able to ship. I'm going to flip to my overhead camera, give you a very quick look. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time, but I did want to make sure that you know about Little Craft Place. So here are just some of the things that I was able to find at Little Craft Place. And I wanted to get some of the Alice in Wonderland items because when I was on one of my Breakfast Club meetings back in November or early December, one of the ladies that was a part of that meeting was using this particular set, and it turned out so beautifully that I told her if I happened to come across this, I was going to grab some. And lo and behold, they had it at Little Craft Place along with the journaling cards and some ephemera. So I am going to have a wonderful time just playing around with this. Then I picked up some items from 49 and Market. I got quite a few things from them. I picked up a couple of packs of frames that I think that I'll be able to decorate and dress up and use in my crafting. Then I got some of the ephemera packs. And these packs, I have a few from other collections. I love them because you have so many different things in this pack. There are 86 pieces in this pack, and you're able to just work them into your paper crafting. And I'm trying to hold it up like this so that you can see just all of the goodies. This one has 102 pieces in it. This one has 78 pieces in it. This one has 86 pieces in it. So you're able to really grow your ephemera stash with packs like that. And y'all, I'm trying to hold these so that the cellophane wrapper isn't too much of a glare problem. But I really like this one from 49 and Market because it's just a bunch of old looking pages that I can definitely incorporate into some paper crafting. These are some chipboard Alice in Wonderland stickers. Then I found these really awesome chipboard stickers from Stamperia about creating and crafting. And all of them have wonderful sayings. This one says, if there is a feeling, there is art. Live with love and you will create art. We all have an artist within us, and I believe that. The art of giving, wings to fly, head to think, and hearts to feel, art in your hands. So you have a whole bunch of chipboard sayings that you're able to incorporate into your crafting that relate to crafting and creating. Then I picked up this little tag set. It's also from 49er Market, and it's just a beautiful botanical tag set. And then I picked up a couple of paper packs, Market Street and Kaiser Craft. These are just gorgeous. I love the colors in them. I thought this one would be great for like fall crafting. Might even use it in a non-fall craft. But I loved how these turned out. And then finally, I picked up some of these little rollers. They're like tape rollers called Deco Rush. But they are just so neat because you roll out images. And let's do that last one. I only got 3 of these, but I wish I had gotten more because you can see just how cute that is. This would be great for journaling. This would be great if you wanted to create a little note card or some stationery. Just perfect for that. So I picked up 3 of these. And all of this is from Little Craft Place. I did visit some Dollar Trees and picked up some items from there. I picked up some canvas that I hadn't been able to find here. I found some stickers at the Dollar Trees in Texas that I had not seen here. So I grabbed some of those, but I mainly wanted to show what I was able to get from Little Craft Place because, like I said, you don't have to be in Texas to pick this up. If you want something similar, just go to their website. But I hope you've enjoyed this look at one of the things I did when I was in Texas. Like I said, when I go to Texas or I go anywhere, I always look for a local place to go and shop and purchase some crafty items. So I hope that you've enjoyed this. If you have, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.